Cutting. Let me explain. Cutting goes by many names. Slimming down, calorie deficit, getting shredded. But there's a huge problem with cutting. People overcomplicate it. It gets really confusing with all these different diet options promising you the results you've been dreaming of. Getting that shredded physique like all your favorite influencers. Or maybe just looking better for you or your partner. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not that complicated. I know. Somebody with a fast metabolism saying it's easy to lose weight. Listen, I never said it was easy for everyone. It just isn't as complicated as people make it out to be. Do you want to lose weight?
Yes!
Eat less food. That's it. Okay, calm down. Calm down. I said calm down! I know it's not that easy for everyone. There are a ton of factors that can make losing weight very difficult, such as health conditions, eating disorders, and so many more. However, there's no way around it. If you want to lose weight, you need to feed your body less calories than it burns every day. That being said, there are countless ways to increase how many calories you burn every day, and therefore how many Krispy Kreme donuts and Golden McNuggets you can eat while losing weight. Sorry, I'm probably making you hungry. If you want to know how to increase your metabolism so that you can burn more calories while literally just sitting down, and I'm being serious, check out this video where I go into detail about it. But, back to those washboard abs. Let me break it down for you. Mark. All it takes is 3 simple steps. 1. Calorie intake. This is a fancy term that means number of calories. How many calories does your body burn, and how many can you eat before you maintain or gain weight? Remember, we're trying to lose weight here. To find this, look up BMR calculator, click the first result, enter a few details about your body, and there you go. As long as you eat a couple hundred calories below this number every day, you should be good as gold. 2. Tracking calories. Tracking your calories can be a pain. I won't deny that, but there's an app I like called Chronometer that makes it so much easier. They've got a bunch of cool features like barcode scanning, custom meals, and so many more. And finally, number 3. Time. This one sucks. Like seriously. Unfortunately, there's no way around it. Consistency is the key to accomplishing anything long term, especially when it comes to the gym. But there's still one big problem.
Your mom.
BMR calculators aren't perfectly accurate. For some people, they're pretty much spot on. For others, it can be off by a couple hundred to even a couple thousand calories. And this is all dependent on something we all share in common called metabolism. Metabolism is what decides in our specific bodies how quickly we burn food. This affects appetite, energy levels, and well, your progress as a whole. So if you want to learn more about what metabolism is and how it affects your progress, you should watch this video next, where I explain that exact topic. And don't worry, it's simple.